Let these videos motivate you guys to hustle and take risk. Ooh, that's so fun, bro. That's so satisfying. Yo, welcome back, boys, to another video. I'm not really doing actually a video right now. This is just a little clip, dude. The next couple days is gonna be raining like crazy. Wait, maybe I should just do a rain POV right now. Oh, you know what, dude? I should. It's just so sketch. Right now I'm gonna go to the gas station, take some pictures for Instagram and TikTok, make like a little like video. I've been doing these like on the daily, so like it's really nothing special. I just try to like keep it simple with social media and try to, you know, make content that does well. You know, I made a video literally, or a picture slideshow that hit 1.3 mil, you know? You know what? Frick it. I'll do a freaking rain POV. Yeah, dude, this car is so fun to drive. It's so sketchy in the rain though. Drifting the M5 is just so much easier, boys. Like you guys don't even understand. Like drifting the M5 is so much easier. It's unreal. But yeah, we're doing a little POV video, nothing crazy. Like you see, like I'm pushing pretty hard. I should be slipping the whole entire time, but sport mode is like stopping me. And I made the mistake once. I'm not gonna be going 40 trying to spin it because, bro, this thing whips out and just not, dude, it's scary, dude. So freaking scary. But anyways, hope you guys been enjoying the vids, dude. I don't know what's going on my YouTube channel, but pretty much after buying this M5, we're getting crazy views, boys. We're getting crazy views, which is like so sick, you know. I'm just happy that, you know, keeping it simple, you know, and I want this channel to be like, obviously if I put like way more effort in and edit crazy, I for sure can do better, but it's just like the time, I don't have a lot of time, and I kind of rather just keep buying a bunch of nice cars. Like if I don't succeed, if I don't make enough money to buy more cars from other sources than YouTube, then that's all I care about more, you know. Like succeeding on YouTube, I feel like I don't want to depend on YouTube, you know, like ever, even if it becomes like successful, because, you know, once people fall off, dude, that's it. Your source of income kind of gets screwed. Like it's stopping me, bro. Like this thing should be, unless the tires I have is like really good. Dude, I don't know, bro. I don't think my tires are that good, but I mean, I don't know. I guess they're fairly new. I got some cheap tires. They're like not too cheap to where it's like unsafe, but it's like it's not super grippy, but surprisingly, bro, it does like really good. Oh, dude, freaking. Oh, dude, boys, you know, like I'm gonna tell you guys right now, do not, like, I want you guys to watch these videos and be hyped to work harder. You know, like I said, these cars I can afford them pretty decently, and since I don't plan on buying a house for myself, if I'm gonna buy real estate, guys, it's gonna be a rental property or it's gonna be a flip. I'm not trying to buy a house for myself unless I start making some money from real estate, because a house is more like pleasure. Same thing with a car, right? But a car is only, both these cars combined, it's less than 200 grand. Dude, that's so fun. I don't want you guys to watch the videos and, you know, get FOMO and want to buy a car. You know, one thing I will say to every single person that wants to buy a car, start some type of business. But dude, the amount of connections I built with these cars is just unreal. But anyways, yeah, man, just start some type of business. Oh, dude, it's getting sketch. To keep it simple, I'm gonna keep a long story short. Let these videos motivate you guys to hustle and take risk. Ooh, that's so fun, bro. That's so satisfying. But yeah, man, just take these videos, work harder, man. You know, I don't want these videos to motivate you to buy cars specifically, but I want it to motivate you guys to make more money, you know. And that's taking risk, that's learning other trades. Like, I'm working at my job, dude, but I'm always trying to learn something new. Oh, that's so fun. That feels so satisfying. That's all this car can do, bro. When I was trying to spin it with the turn, bro, it does not work. The M5 is beautiful on turns, bro. Beautiful. But yeah, like I said, boys, this is like the beginning, man. I just can't wait for other ventures to follow through so I can buy a freaking 1,000 horsepower Supra, or buy a stock one, boost to myself, make a bunch of videos on me boosting it. Like that's the dream, you know. Audi R8 twin turbo, Huracan twin turbo, freaking SVJ is like the dream. SVJ twin turbo, that's when I have like, that's when like I've made it. Like I no longer care about the value of this car. I'm willing to freaking destroy it, you know, pretty much. Because I feel like if you put a twin turbos on a Lambo, you're pretty much destroying the value. But bro, that's the freaking dream. You guys got this, man. You know, this is just the beginning. You know, to be at the end, I will make a video on how I afford these cars, but realistically, dude, anyone can afford them. It's not worth it, you know what I mean? Like, personally, I would not recommend it unless you have something more than just personal use, if you know what I mean. Dude, this car is sketch, bro. I'm so scared pushing, guys. I'm not gonna push it when I'm going this fast. Definitely not. I'm gonna go slow down. These streets are open, no cars, so no people, you know, to hurt. I'm trying, like I said, boys, you know, you got to follow the law, you know, respect the cops out here. The cops out here have been really good to me, so I gotta respect them, you know what I mean? They've been great to me, man, and, you know, it's so fat compared to the freaking M5. The M5 is a way easier drift, I'm gonna be honest with you, boys. That was smooth. And boys, we're at a private property, so just know that, you know, this is all safe, private property, no one's in the way. Yeah, boys, we're starting drifting is private property. You know, there's no people, no cars, there's gates for, you know, in case I slip out. So it's a very safe area where I drifted. Oh, look at this puddle, dude. Nah, not with this car. Sending those puddles is so fun. But yeah, you just gotta be, if you're ever gonna do it, you gotta do it on private property, boys, because it's safe, and you know, you don't want to break the law, like I said, boys. You see how it's controlling my RPMs? I'm not like tapping the pedal, and I really do not want to turn off traction control. Yeah, basically, if you're gonna be like driving a Hellcat in the rain, you gotta be driving at higher gears. Dude, it's so fun in the rain, dude. But like, you just have to be safe, you know. You can't like take risks in the rain, in the Hellcat specifically. It's just so sketch, dude. Sheesh. Oh, dude, this car. Oh man, I don't regret getting any of these cars. And one thing I don't regret the most is I didn't get these cars only for personal. As you guys can see, that's the key. But it takes hella risk. I mean, I wouldn't say my decisions is smart at all. I mean, I think they're not smart at all. But since I only live once and I'm young, I say it's worth it. And since I did get blessed with a good job, oh my gosh, that is so fun. Oh my, dude, it's so fun. But like I said, boys, the next plans I have, like the next time I get a loan or take risks or go in debt, definitely gonna have to do something with real estate or buying something for the trucking business or something for construction. Like, the next plan is definitely way better than this one. But since I've done a really good job succeeding in my industry, this was like my way of rewarding myself, but also trying to do something more. As you guys can see, I mean, look at YouTube's doing great, you know. When I was making the video, my freaking my phone died, so I went to go charge it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Dude, this car looks insane. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll probably make another one with the BMW this week because it's gonna be raining for like, dude, it's gonna be like one of the craziest rains. It's gonna be like low-key flooding. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like right now. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.